Indian Army has signed a contract with the Bangalore-based company for how many drones as Sky Strikers? 100. Which country has topped the Hurun India Future Unicorn List 2021? United States. Which country has signed a project agreement with India's Ministry of Defence for the co-development of ALUAV? USA. PM Modi virtually addressed the 6th Eastern Economic Forum. Which country is the host of the EEF Summit 2021? Russia. Which nation's first ever batch of female soldiers has graduated? Saudi Arabia. What is the target year set by the government to reach $5 billion defense exports? 2024. Praveen Kumar has claimed a silver medal in which event at the Tokyo Paralympics Games? High jump. Which organization has developed the D4S system for Indian defense? DRDO. Which university has topped in the list of Times World University Rankings 2022? University of Oxford. Harvinder Singh has become the first ever Indian para-athlete to win a medal in which event at the Paralympics? Archery. Which state has launched Mission Vatsalya? Maharashtra. How many unicorns are there in India as per the report of Hurun India Future Unicorn List 2021? 51. What is the total special drawing rights allocation made by IMF to India? SDR 13.66 billion. Who has become the first Indian woman to win 2 medals at the Paralympics? Avani Lekharan. Asian Youth Boxing Championship has taken place at which place? Abu Dhabi.